What is it? What does it mean? What are people saying? But I'm here to give you the truth. And part of the truth is that it's trying to kill old people. Coronavirus it is trying to kill old people to lower the $1 billion deficit that has borrowed from Social Security. The cost of Medicare and Medicaid have been slowly rising, and this disease is only taking out the sick, the poor, the old. They are more likely to die from it. Look at all the poor Italians, or the old Chinese, or the old Kung Fu master. The last year, 2.9 trillion of the $23 trillion debt is all Social Security that has been borrowed from old people that are now just slowly taking it. Now, if the coronavirus took all of that out, it would just wipe out that entire debt and just cleaning the slate. Coincidence? Watch your old people. Take care of your old people. Make sure to wash and care for your old person. I have the tab here. Oh, no. Okay. That could be true, and that is true. The 5G towers, ever since it happened in China, that was the first place they're installing those 5G towers. And these people are getting tremendously sick from the frequencies and radiation that have just been hammering on them. Coincidence? And now that mandatory quarantine is in effect, then they could just go up there to the schools, build these towers, and your kids are just susceptible to these waves. You need to hide your kids. You need to hide your wife, because they're installing 5G towers everywhere up in here. That sounded better in my head. That line, yeah. Show me this. Mandatory vaccinations. Now, 16% of Americans are either not sure or aren't vaccinated. That's quite a number there. So, if you take that into consideration, all those, free thinkers out there that aren't vaccinated aren't being controlled by the government and can't be tracked or located or whatever. And you got Karen right here not wanting to, vaccinate her kid and use the soul stone or the moon stone to evolve him into a better human being, or rock salts, or psychic crystals. Now the government can't be having that. They need to control you. My final fact. Remember, April 3rd, Resident Evil 3 is coming out. This could be a big promotional stunt. It could be a big promotional stunt for Capcom, and that just got super duper out of hand and way too out of control. And I mean, everybody's, now that they're quarantined, they're watching all these pandemic movies. Hey, it'd be the perfect game to play? Resident Evil 3 Remake. Releasing April 3rd on Xbox Live, PlayStation Network. You can get it digitally, so you don't have to leave your home. And the military won't mess with you. There you go. Resident Evil 3, April 3rd. Anyway, like and subscribe.